How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 55 3100 Chevy pickup done in a Canary Yellow. Cool truck, guys. I got this truck from a local gentleman, owned the truck, I think 17 years he said. He built it. A nice chrome grills, all new in it, new hood ornament. Bumpers have all been re-chromed on it. I tell you, in the Canary Yellow, this thing just pops. Cool truck. Got the torque thrust American racing wheels. Did a very nice early tail light. Fits the truck real nice. It's also got the lights up in the bed rails, louvered tailgate. You can see the rear bumpers all re-chromed. Got a very nice wood bed with all the stainless strips. Fuel tank has been moved to the rear. Tell you, it's just a cool truck. Truck's been done several years, but still looks real good. Got a nice little 350 in it, aluminum intake, an Edelbrock carb, electronic ignition. It's got Heights independent front suspension with tubular A-arms and power rack and pinion steering. It's got the power disc brakes up front. You can see a heavy-duty aluminum radiator in it. It's got 350 turbo trans. Got Camaro rear. Got a Flamin' River tilt steering column. Nice set of gauges in it. Got the headliner and stuff. Nice pleated seat. Got a Lokar shifter. It's got the hidden latches in the tailgate. It's got a tach mounted on the column there. It's got a nice retrofit AM/FM cassette radio in it. Got the optional single sun visor. Got a Lokar accelerator pedal assembly. Tell you, it's just a cool truck. Set's real nice. It's got headers and duals. Thing fires right up. Tell you, it's just a cool looking truck, guys. Sounds good out this exhaust. Got a nice little cam in it. Just a cool truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.